Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another weekly forecast. And obviously, before we get started, I'm going to shout out the free channel. Link is in the description. We've also got a VIP channel where I'm also sending out my trades and my analysis and my strategy. Link is also in the description. I've got some good news. Well, I can't share this news at the moment, but I've got some news coming up, which you guys may hear from in the next upcoming weeks. But yeah, so stay tuned for that stuff. We got a lot of stuff going on with Elite Empire. A lot of decent business moves that we could potentially have happen, which could make, you know, a lot of impact on the trading community and also help a lot more people with trading. Okay, so what happened last week, man? Like crazy stuff happened last week. You see with the CPI, we had a push up towards this upside, which tagged right on the supply zone over here on the left. Once seeing that, we then did place a sell trade. Let's see what we had on the free channel. You can see that we placed a sell trade. I've been starting to do a lot of live calls now, you know, so I'm going to be doing lives more often. Hopefully you guys can be getting in on that as well. But you can see right here, we've got that area around 1806. We caught a sell, 70 pips. Price then went down from here, all the way down to the bottom at 1784, right? Which is a nice 200 pip move. Then price retraced, did the same thing, another 100 pip move. Price retraced, did the same thing again at London session on Friday, which went down 80 pips. Okay, so that accumulative added up to at least, you know, over 300 pips within this move. But what happened on Friday was pretty annoying, right? What I was expecting is at least a break below this 1783 level, right? We didn't get that. Price then manipulated and pushed straight up towards the upside, breaking this previous structure on the left here, like so. There we go. Price retested and then continued going up. So well done. Obviously, if you did catch that buy on the retest, it was clearly there. Break retest, price failed to close below, and price then continued up. Right. What do I still think? I still have to stick with the bearish outlook, man. This month has been annoying at times. It's been great. Less volume, more manipulation going on, and with everything else going in the world with recession, Taiwan war, you know, war fears and all this stuff going on, you know, stuff, yeah, things are going crazy right now. Okay, so what I'm trying to still look at is the way this market structure is still going, and we're still creating more and more liquidity below, right? We are due for a flush at some time, you know, a liquidation or some sort of corrective move. But when that's going to happen, we don't know. Okay, so what I'm trying to look for next week, okay, this is what I'm looking for, right? I want to see how price reacts along this area here. Okay, this is one of the manipulative highs from CPI. Okay, I was thinking that, you know, this head and shoulders right here, right, like this, right? I was like, yo, they're gonna have to fake us out, right? It's gonna have to be some sort of fake out, because head and shoulders are always retail patterns, and it's a way to sort of attract liquidity in the market, right? They did that, but they didn't even spike below, and that's what annoyed me. I just wanted a spike below 80, like down to 1783. Let me take some partials, right? And then go up, but yeah, it just went up, right? So this did catch me in like 1 or 2 positions. We did take a loss on one of this position, on the position that we took here. It was, I think it was like a 40 pip SL, but we then did make that back on the sell from the news candle. So that's all good, well and good. You know, we will take losses. I'm not here to just say that, yo, profits. Trading is all about taking losses. Otherwise, if you can't take losses, you won't get blues. You know, that's all I'm saying, right? So see what reaction we can get from here, right? What we could get is we can get a pullback on Monday for price to push up, right? The reason why I'm saying this is we have the CPI wick here. This wick should get taken out after this move. Price is broken out of this wedge, right? Retested, starting to push up. What we could get at the start of the week is price push this CPI high towards 1810. And then we want to see what reaction we get, right? I want to see what structure we have on the way towards that level, right? Because if we break that structure, retest and continue back down here, if we go back down to this level again after taking that high, I would say we are likely to break through this, and we want to break through with volume. Okay, we want to be a straight flush, no chilling around here, because if we chill here, it's just going to be another support build up and another retracement. I want to see a straight move to break, close below, and then we get that sort of retracement. If you get that, that would be nice, man. Then we'll be heading down towards the 1770s, 1760s, 1750s. Okay, But again, we must see structure break. I say this time and time again. Let's wait for that structure to break, see what we get. I still do think we might still be bullish just towards this wick. It's only 50, 60 pips away, so it's not far. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get that CPI high at 1807 taken out. See what reaction we get from there. See what structure is saying, but this is key. Okay, 1784 building up liquidity. Like there's so many stop losses waiting here, so many sell stops waiting here, so I wouldn't be surprised if they come and collect that, spike back up, or do something like that. Okay, so that's my outlook. Obviously I can't say too much because I want to see more price action develop. It's way too early after this Friday manipulated move that we had of 160 pips. Let's wait and see what happens Monday, Tuesday next week, and I'll keep you guys updated on the free channel. Obviously, I'll keep this nice and short. It's been Elite Empire FX. Peace out.